Hello friends, most welcome to English Advantage online classes. Friends, in this video we will cover the Hindu editorial analysis and vocabulary along with the most important phrasal verb questions. So this video tutorial will be highly useful for all competitive exams like SBI Bank PO, IBPS PO, SSC different exams, and definitely GMAT and all other insurance exams. So this video tutorial will be in English language, and in this video tutorial I have picked up the article from 8th May 2017. So that article we will discuss in this video tutorial. Now before I proceed further, I would like to give you information regarding this online mock test series. If you want to practice through online mock test series for your success in any competitive exam, just go ahead and buy this online mock test series. You have to visit test.englishaadvantage.in, and from there first you have to register by putting in your email ID and password. Then using online payment option you can buy this online mock test series. This is valid for 1 year. This covers all the topics and all the sections, and this is completely exam oriented. And I have provided you with my helpline number also, so if you face any problem regarding purchasing this online mock test series, just give me a call and I will sort out your problem. Now this is the article that I have taken from 8th May 2017 from page number 6 of the Hindu newspaper, and this is regarding the Odisha government. Odisha to deploy 6 boat ambulances in cut-off areas, in remote areas, and in cut-off rural areas. The Odisha government is going to deploy 6 boat ambulances because it is not connected by road. Will provide healthcare access to village that are inaccessible by road. Since they are inaccessible, they are not approachable by road, and the people are unable to make the best use of healthcare services. So the state government is going to provide them this boat ambulances to their homes. Floating hospitals, the boats will be part of the 108 ambulance services. Okay. So this is a very good article. The Odisha government will soon deploy means they will put in service. Okay, 6 boat ambulances in 4 districts where a sizable population is surrounded by large water bodies such as rivers and dams. Sizable means a substantial amount or substantial number. Okay, the move follows the launching of a mobile health unit which will provide better healthcare facilities to over 20,000 villagers in 151 villages. So these villages are cut-off villages, and they are located across the Bali Mela reservoir in Malkangiri district last week. So many facing problems. 6 boats ambulances have been sanctioned from the state budget, and they will be deployed in Koraput, Malkangiri, and these are the district names for they will be put for the benefit of these cut-off areas or these rural areas. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik said on Saturday. Okay, you can see the picture, and from this picture you can have a rough idea regarding what the state government is going to do. Patnaik was speaking on the sidelines of a ceremony to sign an MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding. Okay, please put N before MOU because it produces an vowel sound. With Public Health Foundation of India and Jikita Health Care Limited to improve healthcare delivery system. The government said that a sizable population in the 4 districts has been facing problems in availing. In availing means in taking advantage of these facilities. So in availing 108 ambulance services due to intervening large water bodies. Intervening means interfering. Okay, large water bodies. The boats will be part of the 108 ambulance services. IIT Chennai is providing technical support to this project. Although the location for deployment hasn't been finalized, an ambulance will be stationed at Bali Mela reservoir to supplement the mobile health units. And the Patighar Panchayat in Mahakalpada block of Kendrapara is surrounded by the Mahanadi and saltwater creeks. Saltwater creeks means a small stream of water. Creeks means a small stream of water. An estimated 12,000 people do not have any road connection encircled by water. As many as 16 villagers in Thaumul Rampur block of Kalahandi district are located inside the Indravati reservoir. Okay, reservoir, what is reservoir? Reservoir is a kind of a storage particularly for water. Okay, Inhabitants comprising mostly scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities have to cross the reservoir for the most basic needs. They have to cross the reservoir to get the benefit of these basic health needs. So that is why the government is providing these boat ambulances, which is definitely a very good sign, and it's a very good job done by the state government. Similarly, many villages in Koraput district are encircled by water following constructions of dam. In Odisha, the 108 ambulance service was launched on March 5, 2013 with a fleet of 420 ambulance to cover the entire state in a phased manner. In a phased manner means bit by bit or part by part, you can say. Okay, so the service was launched on March 5, 2013, and it comprised of 420 ambulances. There was a fleet of 420 ambulances. A proposal to upgrade 28 existing basic life support ambulances to advanced life support ambulances for their deployment in accident prone areas. Accident prone areas means the areas that are very inclined for the accidents. Okay, accident prone areas of the national highway and state highway. So this is a very good news, and the government is doing quite a good job in Odisha district, in Odisha state. Now this is the vocabulary revision, and these are the words I have included for the revision. For example, the first one is deploy. Deploy means this is the verb form, and noun form of this verb is deployment. Deployment means move troops or equipment into position for military action. Okay, accessible is something is approachable, it is accessible. Floating means move on the water surface. Reservoir means a large natural or artificial water storage. Carrying out means to implement something, to do something practically. Okay, now I have picked up this word, very important word, prone. What is the meaning of prone? Prone means likely or liable to suffer from, do or experience something unpleasant or regrettable. Okay, farmed fish are prone to disease. It means they are inclined to disease. Now synonym for this word prone is susceptible, that is influenceable, vulnerable and liable. And disinclined will be the antonym for the word prone, and whatever word I have put in inverted commas, or sorry, in brackets, that is the antonym. So disinclined is the antonym of prone, very important word, and it has another meaning, that is lying flat, especially face downwards. I was lying prone on a foam mattress. So this is also very important word. Now here we will be covering phrasal verbs that are extremely important for the next forthcoming exams. Now first one is read up on. When you say read up on, it means research a topic for a reason. Read up on means research a topic for a reason. For example, this is the example sentence: I need to read up on the company before I go on the job interview. Okay, so this is the meaning of read up on. Now second question is run against. Run against means compete in an election. Compete in an election. Gore ran against Bush in the 2000 elections in the USA. Question number 3, run down. Run down means get tired and lose power. Okay, you need to eat well to not run down so easily. So very important phrasal verbs. And fourth one is run off. Okay, run off means to leave quickly. This adverbial particle off indicates something that is going away. So run off means leave quickly. Okay, now this is the example sentence: why did you run off after the party? Okay, question number 5, ring up. This is quite simple to understand: to call telephonically. Okay, my brother rang up last night. Now back down, stop defending your opinion in a debate. Richa never backs down, she always wins in an arguments. Okay, back down means to kind of go back. So these are the 6 phrasal verbs I have included. I hope you like all these phrasal verbs and all these vocabulary practice. So these are my details. This is my WhatsApp number and my email ID. Through these sources you can contact me. And if you want to buy online mock test series, just visit test.englishadvantage.in. From there you can buy online mock test series. So how did you like this video tutorial on the Hindu editorial analysis? If you have found it useful, liked it, please like it. Do send me your final comments regarding this article. And if you are the first timer on this channel called English Advantage YouTube channel, kindly do join us. Kindly do subscribe to get all the notifications regarding the latest updates. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you.